now, but this does become the capital village in D&D. Or at least to some, personally. Now, there are many theories on how caverns are formed. The most popular for Skyline Caverns is the fault and fracture theory. This can best be explained through another fifth grade science lesson. It only gets shorter if you want as far as that. Jeff is simply going to look kind of like my manager. No, Jeff is not. Oh, where'd he go? He's right here. Okay. He's very sassy. He's very mad I didn't actually give him any food. He has not made it to this cave. He was originally placed here as a little kids entertained as the adults are through guys. But as you guys have found out, the adults like the pretty colors too. My favorite group of kids. Good luck rock may look like a stalagmite, but it's actually a stalactite that fell. What? Little kid referred to them as the fairy wings though, so I can't really think of them as anything else.
Oh, that's neat.
And perfect.
really cool.
So I didn't get to show this to many groups simply because there's too many people going down around at the wrong time. But that's really cool. And he's going to go ahead and give us a show. He was very good at disco in his day. Not as good as me, but you know. And he's time for shows, he's going to go ahead and sit back down. And for his final trick of the day, he's going to go ahead and disappear. Now, he really off and over our shrine. He had a 22-inch stalagmite.
Oh.
We've got Cinderella's castle in the way far back there. See my laser a little bit.
Oh.
We've got the I love you symbol in American Sign Language there on the right. And my personal favorite, if you use your my weather stream is directly affected by the weather outside. So in the summertime when there's no rain and there's a drought, there is next to no water in this thing.
So this is like not a farmed or harvested mineral. They're just so rare.
They are
and so
found in 4
few
places
far
in the world.
between.
These nets are actually there to protect the Anthodites because people, before the law was passed protecting them, were coming through and throwing rocks at
And
them.
yeah, of course.
Trying to knock them down.
Where are the other parts in the world that they're located?
So the other 4 places they are found in the world is Tennessee, New Mexico, Virginia, and of course a little place over in France that I could not pronounce if I tried.
Okay, so one of them is in a different continent.
There's probably found in the U.S. a lot more than I thought they would.
Oh my God.
There's also a place in the cavern where you can take photos of them when they're not for a single inch of these guys to grow. And it's about 127,000 years old. I'd say it's pretty impressive. Now you may want to hold off on pictures yet because there are many theories.
Protect your neck.
Largest in the world. Well, just took a tour of Skyline Caverns and that was great. All these caverns must have something specifically unique about them. Man, this car is a champ. Alright guys, I guess this is like end of full day 1 on the road. Woke up at the campsite, now I'm at this campsite again. I planned on staying at the top of the mountain, but it was closed. There was off-grid camping, but honestly, like I said, it was cold up there. Anyway, the GT6 did great. I really want to look up, see how many miles it is. Maybe I'll tune in to see how many miles I did. But I guess it's loading up back tonight. I'm gonna make a nice big dinner. And I don't know where I'm going tomorrow, but I'm gonna hit the road real early. Cause I don't know. It's like the thing to do. Anyway, stay tuned for every part of the journey along the way. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Also, shout out to all my friends and family who are watching these videos. Love you guys.